So let's go back up to the big picture. You've talked to us about the digital assets. I think every Matterport service provider wants to know, is Matterport Digital Pro, offered by its division VHT Studios, a threat to Matterport service providers?
I wouldn't think so. There's just the quality of what they put out is very similar to if you have somebody rushing through a house. There's always going to be somebody who charges less than what you charge. That's just kind of the nature of the business. And before they launched this package, there's been other photography companies who will say, $99 3D virtual tour or whatever. And it's like, okay, but you're going to get $99 worth of a 3D virtual tour. You're going to get a mist bathroom, or you're going to get splatter, something like that. So I'm not at all concerned about this. If these window pulls had been crisp and clear, and I had got 40, 50 images, and I got, a floor plan, which was decent, and they didn't miss a bathroom, then yeah, I'd be like quaking in my boots. But for what I got out of this, I'm like, kind of feel like you got taken. You probably deserve about a 10% refund.
I'm looking forward to my $29.90 back. So I want to still push back on you a little bit.
Yeah, sure.
Because you're a professional photographer. You have professional photographers that work for you.
Only on Tuesdays.
You're giving me a professional photographer's opinion. Let's just flip it around and say, hey, I'm a real estate agent. Was the deliverable good enough to win the next listing? That's really what it's not about. Selling this house. The house is going to sell anyway. Is this going to help the real estate agent win more and bigger premium listings, despite the fact that you described the package as being mediocre? I think you used the word sucks.
Sorry, it's my elementary school education. No, there's a huge issue, and I don't know if you want to get into like the whole process, but with scheduling this, that kind of came up. Whereas an agent,
we'll talk about that. But I just on the
deliverables
itself.
I have roughly 700 agents that order from us at any given time, and I've talked to at least 5 of them since this came out, and I kind of was just running it past them, and they all said no, they wouldn't order it. They're annoyed by what I went through as far as getting it scheduled. And I talked to somebody as late as last night about it, and she's like, oh no, we wouldn't, we need more than 25 images, and that video, I wouldn't use that. So again, you're going to find agents who are just only care about the bottom dollar, and they want to save as much money as possible, and maybe they have a small commission on a house, or they're doing a favor for a friend where they might take advantage of it. But I don't see this appealing to the majority of my clients.
Is it possible that Matterport's doing you a favor because it's taking all the bottom feeders from even maybe calling you until they've had an unhappy experience, and after they've had that unhappy experience, then they'll be seeking a solution?
Well, I hope they call me, and who knows? I guess we'll find out once I post my video.
Okay.